Hello guys, thank you very much. Welcome back to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a banner for your website. So you can create your website banner and embed in your website. Also you can create your website banner so as you can be sharing on various social media. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, please subscribe on the subscribe button below, hit notification bell button so as you get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and if there is any suggestion or comment or question, leave it in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as you see now, I have opened my Canva now. This is tutorial which is showing you how you can create banner by using Canva. So now I have opened my Canva in my computer. Now what I need to do is to sign in or sign up with your Gmail account or any email so to Canva. Then after signing into the Canva account, now you need to come here on the home page and come and click design. As you see here, you click on create design. So on this option which is create design, now I'm going to create here, so and click there. So when I click there, you see I click create design. After clicking that, I type in the search bar and type banner. So you need to be connected to the internet. When I type banner, now I need to choose banner landscape or banner portrait, so or blog banner. So what I need to do, let me click on this banner landscape. Once I click banner landscape, it is going to open to new tab on my computer. So in the browser, I need to wait it and start creating. So you see now they are bringing me the blank page to create my banner. So once they approach blank page to create my banner, I need to come here across, and as you can see here, there are various options on this round here on the left corner. You can see that there are various options. You see the background, these videos, this audio, there's text icon, there's uploads, there's elements and templates. Here as you can see this, what you need to do, you need to come here and you can be selecting any background you want. As you can see, there's a template that are recently used, and you can be selecting the template you want from these ones. What you need to do also, let me for example show you this one. As you can see, this one, let me use this one. So as you can see, this one is COVID-19 vaccination banner, which is program starts June 4, and you see it is showing the number. I can click here and want to click here and double click on this, click delete, and click this and click delete. Also I can click this and click delete. So once I click this, I can click delete again. So I can click this and remove this and this image, as you can see, and remove this vaccine image, and I can remove this. So and remove this, I can click until I remove all options. So creating banner, it means that you can add your custom image on your banner. So it is easy and simple when you decide to add your additional custom image on this. I can see now I remove this image and I can click this image and I mean with banner, which is unique. What I need to do, I can add elements to my banner here. Let me show you. I click here on the element tab. So as you can see, I read the main element and click the banner. So what I need to do, I need to come and choose which element I need to add. I can click here and add this element. So this element, I come here and control this element and scroll. So I can increase the size or resize this banner in the way I wish to reach this. So after this, also I can come here and search another element here, maybe this one. I can click here and come and put it here on this side. As you can see, yes, as you can see now, I put it here and scroll up this to get a full image on this. Yes, after doing this, now what I can do is that I can decide to add further additional image on this remaining area. Also, let me, for example, add this one. Yes, add this one, rectangular one. So when I go to add it, I come here and resize it. I also it geared for on this. Yes, I'm making sure that this image is fitting on this area. What else I need to do is to add the image now, or to change the color of this. Now I can come here and change the color of this image. So for example, I can choose to do this, as you can see on the top. Then I can also change this color and change to this one. Also change to this. Yes, to this one. I can come here also and change this color. This color is going to be again change it to the new color I want. So, and I can change this one to the new one. This one. Then also change this one to the new color now. So which is going to be together later. So also on this top one now, so I can change the color to the color I want to get change them with it. So what I need to do is to click on it and change the color, as you can see here. Color now, I can turn this, but I can turn to this so that they have different colors. What I need to do after this, I can come here and text now. I am going to add text to my banner now. What I need to do is to add text to my banner. So what I need to come here and click on this text option. On the right position, you see there is text option, which is going to be adding text. What I need to do is click here and add text and choose which text must better fit my banner. After adding text, now I'm going to start. So they are saying that I'm offline. Let me try to see it reloading so as it can go back to, because they are saying that's offline. Yes, you see now once I click it on text, now they are bringing me various text styles that I can use. I can choose to put this one, which is the Hugo series, and click on it. Once I click on Hugo series, they are bringing it here. I can, for instance, I can type here like now great offer. Yes, for instance, click great offer on this. So once I hit the great offer, now I try to maximize this. Then yes, great offer, yes, maximize this letters so as the text will be visible. Then I can choose to increase the font size of these letters so it will be visible to everyone. Once it is visible, what I can do other else is to make sure that this color may be changed to my text, and I can come and click here, maybe I change it to white. So once it become white, what I need to do is to click this text, select this text for example, and once click here on effects. Once I click effects, there are various effects here. I can click this. Once I click this, I can change the direction where the text is looking, as you can see. Yes, as you can see, great offer. Then I can change the color also. So once I see the color is not visible, I can minimize to transparency, as you can see. Yes, so put it in the middle. You see the group great offer. And well, once I want to add an additional information there, I'm going to click text also and choose the various different text styles that I can be writing in. For example, I can choose this one lemon. So once I choose this lemon, I click on it, and this lemon is going to be to come on my banner. So what I need to do is to type in this form. So we are offering, for example, we are offering 20 options, instance options to apply for jobs today. Yes, once I written these words, what I need to do is to make sure I customize my sentence so it is going to be visible to everyone. What I need to do is you see now what I need to, I can be selecting these letters and change their colors to, for example, you see the colors of this letter is visible, but I can change them to visible one. For example, you see this, we are referring to this, but I can make sure that this is changed. If I see that it is not visible, I can change them. So let me change this color so you can find it, the real color which is visible to everyone. What I need to do, I need to apply this color, see whether it is visible. Okay, thank you very much. So maybe I can put yellows. Let's apply yellow color so we can see that is visible or not. Rather, now I scroll down and find the yellow color here, so it is not visible. You need to convert, so you need to change back to its one. Okay, yes, I already use this color now. So as you can see here, what you need to do, you can choose to select these colors and put on effect. Once effect, you can choose to add like this, and also make sure that you are changing the direction or not. So we are offering now this to our business or jobs today. What other you say you can need to add, you can, for example, choose to add the custom image. So to add a custom image, now you can go here and upload. As you can see, upload. On upload option, you can need to add custom image. For example, I need to upload this image, so I can click on it and the image is inserting itself on my banner. So after inserting this, I can customize this, and I can customize this and make it fit to my banner, as you can see here now. After doing this, when it is going to offer, and it is going to be showing itself to my banner. So you can click here also and choose whether you are going to take image of, and from your computer, maybe from your computer you can upload image, custom image, and add it to your Canva or to a banner. Other thing I see what you need to do, maybe my banner is not now finished. I can come here and add text to add some other additional information. For example, I need to add some text here. I can come there and click, yes, I click this text and bring this text here on this position. Once I bring this position, I try to maximize these font sizes to my banner. After maximizing this, I can click, for instance, I call it contact us. After typing contact us, I'm going to add the detail number here, or the phone numbers here. For instance, I can add +1 2 3 7 8 phrase, so the contact number you want. Also, you can add mail. You can add an email below, so here you can choose to add email and start, for example, info @bars, and then you continue. So as your client will be guiding you. You see now, after finishing this image, you see now it is going to be the attractive image which is going to be read by everyone, and every person can be now doing it very well. So what you need to do is, after this, you need to click here. Canva has pro version and basic version, which is the free one. What you need to do to get your image, you need to click here on download button at the top, as you can see here, with your internet. Once you click it there, you need to come here and choose which option, which type of file you need to download, and click here and choose whether it is a JPG file or a PNG file. After doing this, you need to download your image. So you need to download image here, and if you want to increase your size, here you see now it is a pro plan. They're asking you to pay for this image, but I'm going to show you how you can download this free image without increasing the size now and without losing the qualities. What you need to do, you need to click here download. As you can see, my JPG image now is downloading itself. So after it got downloaded, let's go there to the download the image to see whether our image has been worked very well. For example, let me click there at the top to see this is download the image, as you can see here, and to see whether it is working well or the image has been saved very well. So let's wait a bit, double click on it, and you can see beam so downloaded. Okay, yes, just wait. No, yes. As you can see now, it is already downloaded and our banner is now made. You can also make any banner you want on your computer by using Canva. Also, you can add any custom image you want, so as you can be embedding on your site. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video, share this video to your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if there is any comment or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.